Hello, hello. Welcome to the Feel Good Factor. I'm Susmita Veganosaurus and I'm so glad you're here today. If this is your first time, then this podcast is about joy, fulfillment, and well being in business, life, and creativity. Thank you for being here. So, I'm part of this really nice membership program called New Rules Studio. It's a writing salon, and we meet a few times a week online and we write. And it's very different from other writing programs. The way we feel encouraged, the way it brings things out, the way they nurture us, the teachers. Oh, it's really nice. And the community, all the people who are part of it. I love being a part of the salon. It's been a little over a year since I've been a part of this program, and some of these podcast episodes have originated there. The writing for them have originated there. So on Friday morning, usually I don't attend morning sessions because, as you might know, I'm not a morning person, or rather, I'm not a people person in the morning. But this Friday, I happened to have woken up quite early. So I thought, okay, I'm up anyway, I might as well attend a session. And the teacher in this session was, her name is Chris Young. She's a newer teacher. And her prompt for us was habits. She told us to write about habits. That's it. She just gave a one word prompt, and sometimes just one word it can, pull so much out from inside you. It's amazing. As soon as I'd finished writing the piece, I knew that, okay, this has to go into the podcast. I knew you'd all enjoy listening to this and it'll probably resonate with you. And considering it's the beginning of the year and everybody's thinking about their habits and stuff like that, the topic also is pretty timely. So, here goes. They're not set in stone. And that's the only way they work, last, thrive. Habits that meld into your being, flex and flow as you change and transmogrify into the many beings you are. A habit isn't really a habit until you stop noticing it. It's such a natural part of who you are, you won't even think of mentioning it if someone asks you what good habits or bad you practice every day. That's because it isn't a practice, you see. That would be as ludicrous as saying, I practice breathing through every second of my day. Or, I practice peeing as soon as I wake up in the morning. Or several times on cold nights if you're a perimenopausal woman in your 40s. If you know, you know. A true habit is the kind you've assimilated into your nature, like the Borg. You don't think about it or plan for it or push yourself into doing it. It just happens all on its own. The rest of the habits, the ones that need willpower or intention or resilience, those are muggle habits. They are hatchlings. They're needed, they matter, of course they do, but they haven't reached their full, vibrant, flowing potential until they move from I need to do it to I can't help but do it. So, let's drop the force and the guilt, shall we? For a hatchling habit to turn into a full blown true one, it needs love and nurturing, a flexibility within the framework, the space to move and dance and pirouette gracefully, to relax and slack off if needed, a gentle nudge, a loving guidance in the right direction, with lots of space for creativity, spontaneity, and play. So, habits, they're not to be set in stone. It's the only way they work, last, and thrive. So, that's what I had written in class, and I hope that resonated with you. Think how you can be more kind to yourself, give yourself more grace as you embrace new habits, as you develop them and work on them. Make it so easy for yourself, so natural that you absorb these habits and they become a part of you instead of pushing yourself into them, feeling guilty if you don't do them. So ask yourself, when it comes to habits and when it comes to pretty much anything else in life, this is one of my favorite questions. Ask yourself, how can I make this easy for myself and for everyone involved? That question is a secret formula to unlock many wonderful things in life. All right, it was so good talking to you today. I'm off to a vegan market that's happening, and tomorrow at the market, today and tomorrow, it's the whole weekend long, and tomorrow at the market, I'm a part of a panel discussion. I'm so excited about it. I'm going to come back here next week and tell you all about it. Until then, sign up for my free newsletter, The Feel Good Tribe. Go to veganosaurus.com/newsletter. The link is in the show notes and sign up. All right, talk to you again next week. Take care. Bye.